developed the first AI solution specifically designed for insurance employees to better manage contracts and claims with the help of machine learning recommendations. Today they will showcase Zelros Sales AI and their latest feature, voice data input. Next on stage, Zelros.
Hi everyone, I'm Christophe, co-founder and CEO of Zelros, and this is David, solution engineer at Zelros. Insurance is a very old-fashioned industry. If you think about it, it has not changed a lot since decades. But today, things are going to change. Leading insurers are today challenged by a lot of new players. On one side, big techs who want to enter the insurance industry, and on the other side, new players creating new insurers from scratch. What is the common point of these new players? First, they are first and foremost technology, AI-first companies. And second, they offer an amazing customer experience. So if large leading insurers, traditional insurers, want to remain at the forefront of their business, they have to transform themselves into tech companies with great customer experience. And that's why we created Zelros. Our mission is to help them in this journey. So with AI and technology, you can do a lot of things in insurance. You can do fraud detection, you can do dynamic pricing, you can do intelligent risk scoring. At Zelros, we want to become the leading provider of software for all these processes. But we focused and started with one specific process, distribution. Product, insurance product selling. That's our mission. We deliver software to help insurers to better serve the customer with AI. Let's now switch to the demonstration. So here, let's say you are customer advisor or agent. You are in front of your CRM. So we have integration with traditional CRMs like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics. This is the case here. You are in face-to-face with your customer or by phone with your customer. When you click on one contact, as we are securely connected to all insurer data, may it be structured data like customer information, claim history, or unstructured data, email history, document images. As we are connected to all this data, we can predict in real time some recommendations. The first recommendation that we have on the top of our solution is some kind of appetite on product universe. So here, for example, you can see that home insurance is the best suited for this customer. Second thing that we predict is moment of life. Moment of life are here to create empathy between the advisor and the customer. So we have moment of life of past events, and we have as well predictive moment of life, like for example, buying a new house. If you click on this moment of life, then the first score is triggered. Among the all products that you are able to sell, the best product is presented. The product that maximizes the chance of satisfying the customer and so maximize the chance of being sold. But we don't stop here. We also compute and calculate the best argument to highlight that will also be the best reachable for the customer. On here, our solution is able to learn. So the advisor is able to click on the buttons to tell the machine if the argument was suitable or not. So that next time, the solution is a little bit more accurate at this time and so on. But today, what we wanted to present at TIA is something that we never presented, and I believe that has never been presented anywhere. It's a new functionality that could be a game changer. By clicking on the little mic on the demonstration, now our solution is able to listen in real time the conversation between the customer and the advisor. This is extra information that will be used to improve our predictive scores and to even better predict the best scenario, the best argument to provide. So for example, in this case, if the customer is speaking about his children or maybe about school, this will trigger new information that will update the scores, and these scores updated will provide new recommendations. I will now conclude this presentation with some figures on some metrics. Today, what we measure to assess the impact of our solution is the improvement of conversion ratio of the advisor. For one of our customers, without a solution, they had a conversion rate of 30%, and with our solution, they jumped up to 45%. So it is an increase of 50% in terms of improvement and in terms of efficiency. Who is behind this technology? We are a company based in France. We also operate in Germany, in Munich, and we will launch two new countries in the coming weeks, early next year. We today work with 10 customers, including a major one, and we will also add new use cases like customer service and claim management in the near future. We have a booth here during the whole day, so if you want to try the demonstration or ask other questions, feel free to pass on our booth. We are AI for augmented insurance. We are Xelros. Thank you.